How to use ClickUp Enterprise Marketing properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. ClickUp Enterprise Marketing is designed to streamline project management, task tracking, and team collaboration. Yet many beginners misuse it, costing their teams time and efficiency. The surprising truth is that even with all its features, improper setup can turn ClickUp into a source of confusion rather than productivity. A major mistake is ignoring custom task stats and workflows. ClickUp lets you tailor stages for campaigns, content creation, approvals, and reporting. Beginners often stick to default stats, causing tasks to fall through the cracks. Custom workflows ensure that every marketing asset moves logically from planning to execution. Another common error is underutilizing ClickUp dashboards. Dashboards provide insights into team workload, project progress, and campaign performance. Without them, managers miss bottlenecks, overbooked resources, or stalled projects. Setting up dashboards for key metrics allows teams to act quickly and stay on track. Many users fail to integrate ClickUp with other tools like CRMs, email platforms, or analytics software. Integration centralizes data, prevents duplication, and ensures marketing decisions are informed. Without it, teams lose context and efficiency. Collaboration mistakes also hurt productivity. ClickUp offers comments, mentions, attachments, and proofing features. Relying on email outside the platform shatters communication and slows approvals. Keeping discussions inside ClickUp ensures clarity and accountability. Finally, insufficient team training is a hidden cost. Features like automations, templates, and goals can transform marketing efficiency, but untrained teams underuse them. Regular training and onboarding maximize platform value. To use ClickUp Enterprise Marketing properly, customize workflows, leverage dashboards, integrate tools, centralize collaboration, and train your team. Avoid these common mistakes, and you'll transform ClickUp into a productivity powerhouse that drives campaigns efficiently and effectively.